Daddy.
Who are you?
Nah, me Okpe your son now.
Okpe my son?
Yes, Daddy. We don't run come up for house like 5 years ago now.
Oh! Okpe, welcome. Hope say you come back with the 5 million where you thief come out.
Oh, Daddy, that one don't go. I don't lavish the money.
You don't lavish am?
I don't spend and finish now. I can't suffer.
Now you get mine, come back.
He's there.
Anna, come inside.
What's up, my people on the day? It's another one from your boy OBIKING. So make sure to stick to the very end because I'm not feeling too strong. You understand? I'm really down. I'm just trying my best to make this video. You get? So I don't want to say much. Let's just go straight to the video.
My son, Papa, you are sure the fruit you saw is this compound?
Nah, yeah.
We'll pluck it.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
Yes, Papa.
You're mad to make it never watch this plate.
Oh, no vex.
Come and take this plate, make go wash it fast! Hey! Who are these people wait there? Hey, go on.
Papa, no. They talk say they won't marry me.
Hey!
No. My in-law, good afternoon.
No. Funnybros, only one leg you get. And now because of your stubbornness, now make me cut up. Jesus.
Papa, I won't make them marry me first before I tell them say now only one leg I get.
Hey!
Nice one, my daughter.
Hell! Hey! I'm gonna.
Why you dey run?
Hell! If you don't like this one, we get one leg. You go like this one.
What to want to when you're married, man?
My in-law, and this will not to cost too.
How much?
4.8 billion.
I like him more.
Wow.
You like who?
Me, I like fine girls. You want where you wear short skirts. Oh, me, I like fine girls. Fine girls like.
Hello, pretty girl.
Hi.
What's what they do for you? You don't go enter motor sharp. They never say no, you go enter now.
Sister, that was so fast too.
Let's go.
What do you mean, go away?
What other reason do men stop women on the road if not for knack?
No. I was only appreciating God's beauty in you.
Move this car. I have other clients to attend to.
Clients?
Yes.
Sister, please. I'm not interested. Leave my car, please.
Oh no.
I'm not interested now.
That
I'm only appreciating God's beauty in you now.
Next time when the woman says hi, you say bye.
Hello. Fine girl. Hello. I dey try talk to you now. Jesus.
Another banger. Oh my God, Rainbow!
Come here, wait till the morning. Everybody make a rock, come here. I know you seen your.
Get money past you, Papa. Get money past all your generation.
I'm not Binu.
Rema, why slap her now?
I'm not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna.
Nonsense, Rema.
I'm very foolish.
Nonsense, Rema.
Babe, I've been trying to subscribe and my app is not working. Can you help me 1,000 at a time?
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus. What
I've been supporting my man financially.
Babe, what's the meaning of this you post on your status?
Because of 1K sub.
Babe.
I've been the one taking care of my man financially. Ladies out there, if he is the runner now, I mean, I feed him, I clothe him, I pay the rent.
Hello, my son. So a woman is feeding you in Lagos. Abomination. No. Don't tell me anything. Because of 1K sub.
I do everything, literally everything. Come on, check me out.
That's how I've been the one supporting him financially.
Babe, what's the meaning of this? Yeah? Because I collected 1,000 naira from you. That's why you are casting my name all over the internet. Why?
Please, can you tell me what you want? Can you tell me because I don't want to fling you come up for house. Sorry. Now,
Sorry, yeah.
Now what you make and they do you like this now?
Sorry. Don't
Original love.
Yes, I saw you.
play.
Person where you go fling through it.
Hello? Are you the cab man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright now, babe. Come when you get to the market.
Alright, babe.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, babe. I forget my phone.
Where did you keep it?
Just send me to this. Let me get it.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Madam, I beg, they fast too. I don't feel waste time for you.
How about you? Calm down.
Okay.
Have fun now, my guy. I'm not going to say yam.
Yam.
We just pray.
Yam. Yam, we don't reach 10K now. Aji.
So don't be 30K.
No, you never reach 30K. This country never spoil like that.
Hey.
What of groundnut oil?
Boss, Nigerian they buy you. I don't know about cannot tell you.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
Beg, no vex you. What of pepper? I'm on.
I beside this motor they smell food. No?
I wonder.
No, this will be pepper again. Say me not driver you call me for. Don't be driver you order. Boss, I don't know this is where the house. I don't know.
It's sabi all these women. Anytime they want to go market like this, now so they just add the prices anyhow.
Now waiting for stop with that from beginning. Not all this price wey they ask me. If one I carry you go better place where you go see better thing buy for cheap price, okay. I will carry you go the market like this.
Are you serious?
Aje.
He shot you.
And no far.
The place no far.
Oh yeah, now bros, no go now.
No go.
Now you won't go now. The wife will come. May you go by myself. You don't trust the wife.
Oh, please. Babe, what are you doing inside the car? Where are you going to?
Alright, babe, don't worry. Let me just go. I've seen a cheaper place.
A cheaper place? Like you want to go to the market by yourself?
Yes, now, babe.
Cheaper? Why are you like this?
Let's go. Don't worry, I'll be back.
You are going.
You got a tough man. Adam. You have to have
Go to the market
Oh my
by
boss,
yourself.
I beg. The market, should have left. I've been right to go past.
Nobody will carry me, they go.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, go turn right.
This man don't hide.
I don't know. Turn right.
Talkless don't get sense. So. Hey, God.
This market too. You let it not come market today. Which road be this?
I don't understand.
You don't even Sabi road.
We just pray.
Where we dey so?
You never see anything. Wait, I mean, no water be this. Now water be this.
Jesus, my brain, one blow.
Shebi you say you know the market now.
You can't go that side.
I beg, you know sabi this place.
Wetin be this?
Come, I thought you say you know the road.
I tell you, wetin be
Just the
What nonsense is this?
Run no.
Okay, I beg no vex. May I call my wife? Now I sabi the road.
Ah,
Hello, my
man.
wife. I beg that market wey you talk say cheap. I beg which side? Na me na the day. Oh yeah, they come out like this. Go help us go buy am.
Jesus.
Okay, my wife go help us go buy am.
Hey, God.
Are you mad?
Capacity leader.
Incoming.
My chairman.
Capacity leader.
Yes,
Capacity leader. Wait, wait. For 2 days now, we don't follow you waka from one community to another, from village to village. We never chop. They do campaign. Wetin happen now?
Allow me win election first. Once I win election, money go plenty, food go sarara. Make I first enter power.
But incoming. Why did they show say now you go win this election?
Me. When I dey school for primary school, na me win class prefect. For secondary school, na me win senior boys prefect. Which church I dey go?
Winners.
Nice I no go win. Na me must win am. Even though they rig am, I go still win am. Na me be incoming. Na my turn. Where they go?
Incoming. We got chop first now.
Let go see call your mama now.
Okay. Mo go chop for there.
Incoming. Calm down now. How you want make people look you say they go that local restaurant now?
Na tell you. Na political strategy. If they see us, they eat for expensive restaurants. For their mind, if I enter power, I go squander money. But if they see us now, they eat for local restaurants. They go understand. Say me, I understand grassroots well. Mo go chop for there.
Incoming.
Come incoming. Our leader. Incoming.
Incoming.
Madam, I beg, how much did they say a plate of rice?
Incoming. For this place, a plate of food now 1,000.
1,000. Okay, how they come, eh?
Incoming, no get money. Oh.
Okay, take. Give them one plate of rice.
Yarichi!
Capacity leader.
Chairman!
Incoming, no get money. Oh.
Odogu.
I got no job.
No worry about me, I'm okay. After election, I go chop. Man, I eat oh, we get plenty argument for campaign office.
Incoming, no get money. Oh.
I should eat. Madam, give me spoon now.
Why for small pikin eat food?
You get any politician during campaign when they follow small pikin eat? Na campaign strategy. Madam, give me spoon. The incoming is coming. Let me eat with you, eh?
You go finish the pikin food. Oh.
Take me to the place.
Help me, Daddy, because hey, Daddy, see the pikin here. Why give my children
biscuit chop for school. When make all of them turn witch, daddy, help me, daddy. My children, do.
Jesus!
Help me.
Don't worry, I know where this speaking disappear go. Follow me.
Oh, can you pick on my children?
Incoming. So like this, you don't chop witch.
So like this, you be incoming winch.
Osaka, you hold your phone there.
I hold my phone.
Come on, mama.
I know where they go.
Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Now, come on.
Today, not today, when you gonna me, yeah.
My husband, why are you sitting under the sun now for the past 2 hours?
God have mercy. Let me bring water.
Me, I want to go out, so I want to meet my father. I don't tire for 26.
Go out or go home? Oh, no, go home.
I want to go home.
Okay.
Daddy.
Who are you?
Nah, me Agkaay your son now.
Agkaay my son?
Yes, daddy. We don't run come up for us like 5 years ago now.
Oh! Agkaay, welcome. Hope say you come back with the 5 million where you thief come out.
Oh, daddy, that one don't go. I don't lavish the money.
You don't lavish am?
I don't spend and finish now. I can't suffer.
Now you get mine, come back.
He's here.
Anna, come inside.
Daddy, what
You go buy you.
What is that?
Man, no. Now wait till we use clear bush, my son.
I know. Come on, the cutlass.
Agkaay?
They don't got time for Bible.
Agkaay, come inside.
I don't want to come inside.
Prodigal son, come inside. Maybe we celebrate you. Even if they don't write am for Bible, maybe we write our own.
Daddy, come on, the cutlass for there.
Come inside.
You don't trust her.
Jesus!
You don't trust her.
He will not kill me.
Agkaay. My son.
You think that is easy?
Are you there? Come outside. Let's celebrate you.
We'll just pray. We won't celebrate her with cutlass.
They play.
We won't celebrate her with cutlass.
Who is that?
Hello. My name is Patricia from Uganda. I came to see my boyfriend, your neighbor, but he's not there. So I was asking if it's okay with you. I can stay here for some time while I wait for him.
You want to stay with me until your boyfriend comes back?
Yes, sir. Please.
Who
My
does
boyfriend
that?
is not around.
Call him on phone now.
Okay. Come in.
Are you sure? Yes. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. You know, I'm not alone. I came with my brother.
Your brother?
He's outside there.
Why you don't show your brother, sis?
Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my brother. Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my brother. Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my sister.
Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my brother.
Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my sister.
Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my sister. Thank you, sir. I'm not alone. I'm with my brother.
Look at my face.
That reminds me, when we were talking on phone, you told me you're a ballet teacher, right? Nice. Tell me more about yourself.
For my G, let your plug go to the bank account for me. Tell me their name again, I beg.
If you want buy account, go www.number1lockedmarket.com. Now there you go see Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or any account where you find at all. Just go there, you will see them. Okay, this told me I did it. What is it? Okay. Please get me anything, I beg.
God have mercy upon us.
You don't get money for
Jesus!
Mommy, what did this?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I'm a football coach. What? So I left training just to come and meet up with you. Shut up! So there's no problem. Where is the glass?
What?
I'm afraid you don't get glass.
Oh,
Jesus!
Wait.
What for big?
Don't tell me you left ballet training to this date. Are you?
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Okay.
You don't get sense.
Who the check? Eyes. I got way to no nabanya no guajo. Small plaxima. 18 inches.
Well, that's too big myself. When you're Nigerian,
this one that they will start match, they start jumping up and down.
Do you know when I start watching football? I don't buy you by there.
That's why I'm supporting Chelsea.
My boys are ready. I'll buy you player.
Alright, now let's go.
We will enjoy you.
I will bet now.
I will bet.
You stay game.
I'm ready. I said now, cross it inside. Yes, cross it. It got here. You're a fool.
Which guy Papa be this one?
Down.
Let me, you see that? You see that? You're a fool.
Daddy, calm down. Daddy, calm down.
It's not rocket science.
It's
not rocket science. Please, no, please, I beg you, no, please, stop, please. Go, I can snap your face.
Daddy, but that was a nice play.
That's nothing nice. Nice is not equal points. Nice is not winning. Please, don't patronize me. You did not see all your jodo that you referee to.
Which Jodo?
That's why you fail in school, motherfucker. You cannot see with your eyes.
Nice game, Daddy. You guys tried.
Which one is nice game you guys try? Don't say that, Don't patronize me.
Sorry. It's just a game.
10 million naira is just a game.
10 million naira.
10 million naira.
How much is the player? You should say maybe 100 naira.
I just want City for life. Up Man City.
You say what?
I said Up Man City.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Maybe only.
I said oh yeah, shut up, Chelsea. Shut up, Chelsea. Daddy, shut up, Chelsea. Up, Chelsea.
Now my first. Now my first is self.
Good morning. I want to apply for a post of a secretary. If you give me the post as a secretary, there will be inflow of customers from the east, west, north, and south.
I beg now, money, I beg. No come here, come look. Close that your mouth, fam there. You don't brush your teeth. You never on Guinness. You did your mouth, they smell. Go brush your teeth. Now, money, no block my ear, Pico.
If you give me the post as a secretary, there will be inflow of customers from the east, west, north, and south.
Now, waiting they worry you now. If you worry that you come up for this place, still no because what you dey here they read for my ear.
My husband now.
You dey here, you want to apply for which post for which company and which secretary? You suppose they dance for street carnival with this your heart. You never feel touch up where go when they go they spray you now 50 naira because with this your shoe and your heart. Hey.
I know you will give me this job.
You know they hear what they talk. I tell you to come up for here go read that rubbish.
There will be high ratio of customers flowing in your company.
You don't know where you are.
I will try my best to keep to my word and be punctual.
You go first raise yourself from poverty now. Look at where you are staying.
No.
Even in your dream, Tata, no one on your
Now the thing will talk like this. Go and marry. And so my mother push me. Go marry. Nah, don't marry. See, now so she go sleep from 7 p.m. in the evening till 8 a.m. You know not anybody will sleep at 7:30. Not dead body. You wake up for morning. The first thing you go do now to come insult me. You never brush your mouth this morning, no.
You don't brush your teeth.
Other people they put their hand into business. Me, I carry my hand, go put into marriage. Time why you say man go pay your bride price. Instead you don't join this prayer house. But now I don't pray out myself now. Who is Elon Musk? Who is Obikubana? For where I did.
I hear you.
I dey busy say man control your mouth. Other people they build plaza. Me I dey busy control your mouth. You don't turn me to traffic warden now. Now you be the first woman we marry, man we no get money. You don't see me.
Which man why they say mannequin?
Insult me as you like, yeah? Other women, when they wake up for morning, they go brush their mouth, bath. You only just wake up for morning, come find man who no get money. May insult them as you like. May talk to them anyhow, as you like. I blame you. If not like that they behave, if you see me alive,
you don't know where you are going.
When you wake up for morning, no go kneel down, pray to God, say, God, give us our daily bread. For where? That you can't give me daily trouble. Now you day after. They say a wise woman, build it at home. But the naggy one go use her mouth, tear them apart. Other women go they pray for money. You when you get small money, you don't rush, you go buy wet lips. They paint your mouth like heart for lucky.
So make I wake, they pray for person where be saying in destiny and in life don't dabaru. Hey! I can't they ask God. Me make I wait my prayer for your destiny.
I blame you. paint am. That matter go use pray. We go say, God, bless us. Change this family story for where you know go pray. Now to run out from house, come out, come sit down. See me where the reals line one want to go find work. Now they insult me. They talk to me anyhow. I don't marry with big pass me. I don't marry with I don't feel control again. I don't see you jangle over. Ochimoto. I don't feel control again. I can't stop you. Talk to me anyhow, they boss. Talk nonsense. If no be this grace where God give me, why is hold you down? If I don't do one of this saloon, where did they make hair? They tell them how you they hang my boss and the size of my lolo. How is they cook up soup when they last for 1 week? If I don't tell them. All these women.
Size of your
lolo. They hold you down. If I don't join this and small girls online, they dance. Me, I like fine girls. Hey! You want where they wear short skirt? Old man like you.
Yeah, like one girl. The same short skirt where we said the day when you see me for my village, you know, believe me reach my papa house. Maybe as you see short skirt, I'm here. You follow me. You follow me like fly where they follow sheep.
If I go follow you talk anything, make I get this work. If I get this work, I go use your 2 legs, run out from this house.
Hey, now so you put them.
Jesus.
But go make you come back. Hey, I dey wait for you. I wait for you at the end of the tunnel. Even if when I know say light no day your own. Man, I'm checking. Hey.
Husband
yes, who is there? Who's coming?
Good morning, man.
Oh, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, man.
So what brought you to my office?
I came for the post of the secretary.
Oh, the post outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Meko, secretary. 5 years.
Are you with your CV?
Yes, ma'am. It's here. Everything is here.
Okay.
You don't know where you are going.
You don't know. You don't know at all.
Wow. What I'm seeing in your CV here is quite impressive. Sorry, what's your name again?
My name is Meko Joseph.
Meko Joseph. What I'm seeing here, have you worked as mortuary attendants before?
Yes, ma'am. That was 2020 during COVID. You know, one popular mortuary. The man was owing me for months. Now I bet he's one dead body.
Really?
Yes. Until the man paid me, now when I return the dead body back to the man.
Okay, if I may ask, can you give me the reason why you need this job?
Ma, the reason why I need this job, there's no money in the country. Me and my wife quarreled this morning before coming out. Because of what? Money. That woman called me lazy man. Hey! The woman has been giving me constant headache. Hey! I've been spending more money on Panadol Extra and paracetamol than food.
You don't know where you are going.
So ma, please, just help me. Just give me this job so I can move my family to the final destination of life, please.
Because of money.
Thank you, man.
Now flog them supposed to flog you come up for
security. Please help me remove the notice. Yes, I'll see somebody for the job.
Wow.
So let me give you an appointment later.
Hey! Just like that.
Now because they won't give you small work, I make you they wrap your mouth. You they threaten me for this house because of small picture. Jackie, Nata, come get the job now. Make I see you. Hey, never get you. Abiakwanum, Meko Joseph, Menji, where Biaba, Eke me, Eke boy,
your wife that went you.
Who are you?
Madam, what?
Hey! Please leave my office, leave my office, leave my office.
Ma, please now.
I said leave my office, leave my office.
Hey!
Ma, please.
Hey!
Leave my office.
Oh my
God! This world can be something else.
Oh, Jehovah! Oh, my father! Oh, help me!
Oh man, what is the meaning of this? So, okay, let's just say that this time around, Meko is not actually the problem. So the problem is actually the wife this time around. Your husband wants to go and look for a job. Allow him get a job now. So you're witch hunting your husband. You don't want him to get a job. So I think this time around, I'm in total support of Meko Joseph and against the wife, because which wife will not want her husband to progress in life? You understand? Meko, you actually did a great job this time, but that's the way they always worry you. It's still worrying you this time around, so not my fault. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate it. Make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make use of the subscription button and subscribe. Drop nice comments, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace and love.